Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. You're watching Travel with Yash. Today we are going to make some unboxing. Okay, so this is very useful for our channel and this will support us a lot while recording this place. Okay, let's start unboxing. Yeah, let's get our Indian jugaad. Yeah, this package we got from Flipkart. So today I got a delivery of this and let's start unboxing. I'm a bit hurry to unbox this package because I'm waiting eagerly to get it because my videos need to be good quality. So when we are having a tripod like this, we will get a good stabilization and at the same time we'll get a good quality videos. Yeah, this is the box which we got from Digitek tripods. So this is a lightweight DV tripod, which is model number is DTR-550LW. So this can sustain the weight of 5,000 kilograms. So that means near to 5 kgs it can sustain. Means any hard camera we can hold over here and we can start recording. So at the same time this is a 615 and at the same time we can maximum tube dimension is 26.55 meter. So these are having three stage levels, which is we can adjust three stages, so which is very comfortable for while vlogging in a outside or inside. We can adjust our tripod for three stages. Okay, let's open it. A good bag which is bit quality is very less compared to the other products. This is better cloth quality. Okay, so we got zip over here and oh, they packed very well, which is safely reached our home. So let's remove this cover. The tripod which we got from Digitek. So there is a three-stage adjustable tripod which we can open the clip like this and we can lift it up, so it will adjust for three stages. So and here we can hold some weight while we are recording in outside. If some wind is coming towards our camera, we can hold some weight and the tripod will be stable. Okay, so this is the tripod and let's see the another features which are we got in this tripod. Okay, yeah, let's settle it down. So we got some adjustments over here and here as well, so we can lift it like this. At the same time we got tube level over here, so we got tube level over here. So this will make our video level. So if we adjust this tube level range, that camera will be in a level stage, so on that case our video also will be in a level stage. So this is the main feature, and here we can mount our camera or our mobile holder. Yeah, there is a mobile holder which I purchased outside for 100 rupees. If you see in online based, it will cost you around 200 to 300 rupees. This is not a worth of money for 200 to 300 rupees, which is for this tripod. So we can attach this over here and we can hold our mobile and let's check it. Yeah, this will look like. Let's fit our mobile into the tripod. So there is the fitting shape over here, so we can take any type of shots, like, so that will very useful. Okay, so another plus point which is we can raise this up to 1 meter, so which is very useful. This is the tripod which is worth for money, I think. So this has costed me around 1556 rupees something. Okay, this is a worth for money because in this price point they are given a good quality as well. Means you can see here all the metal, which is aluminum, I think. So they coated in a black coat. Okay, which is very useful for starting stage YouTuber. For starting stage person, this is the preferable product, and I done a more research on, and this is the best one which is in this price point. Thank you for watching video till end. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon and give a thumbs up to our travel with Yash.